Welcome back, students. In this class we'll continue the understanding quadrilaterals MCQ part 4. In the previous classes we finished the 3 parts. Now in this class we move on to the last part of this. So in the coming class I'll start the new chapter. So here in this part we have the first question, that is sum of the measure of exterior angles of any polygon. So what is the sum of the measure of exterior angles of any polygon? Means that is 360 degrees. So next question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degrees? So for this we have to solve the problem. How many sides does a regular polygon have if its interior angle is 165 degree? Therefore, first we have to calculate the exterior angle is equal to, what we have to do, that is 180 degrees minus this 165 degrees. So 180 minus 165 will give you, that is 15 degrees. So 180 minus 165 will have 15 degrees we'll get. Next step is, number of sides is equal to, then we have to just divide 360 divided by 15 will get 24 degrees. This is the first number of sides is given. Number of sides. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? We have to find out the number of sides and the interior angle is given. So for this, first we have to find the exterior angle. That is, how to find the exterior angle is 180 minus the given angle, given degree, minus this, then we'll get the exterior angle. Then the number of sides formula is 360 degrees divided by this 15 exterior angle will get, that is 24. 24 sides is the correct answer. So next is, dash is the sum of an exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle. So the sum of exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle, so will be the straight angle. So the exterior angle and its adjacent, 2 times I have written, just take this, exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle will be a straight angle. So next step is, state whether the statement true or false. So we have to state this one as true or false. That is, in an isosceles parallelogram, pair of parallel sides are equal. In an isosceles parallelogram, pair of parallel sides are equal. Now the statement is false here. So it is false. So we move on to the next one. That is, next statement or next question is, the angle of a convex polygon with 8 and 10 sides. So the angle of sum of a convex polygon with 8 and 10 sides. 2 sides are given. For this we have the formula, that is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Therefore, what is n in the first case? We have n is equal to 8 and also n is equal to 10 given. Therefore, n is 8 minus 2 into 180 degrees is equal to 6 into 180 degrees will be equal to how much? That is 1080. Next one, for n is equal to 10, that is 10 minus 2 into 180 degrees into this 8 into 180 degrees is equal to 1440 degrees. So here the options, don't get confused, there are two sides given. That is, one pair of sides are given. For this we have to calculate together. Therefore the answer is this one. So 1080 for the side n is equal to 8 and 1440 for n is equal to 10. Next is, a quadrilateral with a diagonal does not bisect into two congruent triangles. A quadrilateral with a diagonal does not bisect into two congruent triangles. So here it is a quadrilateral. When a diagonal is there, it will not be a when it bisects, then it doesn't have two congruent triangle. That is trapezium. So next one, the seventh is, the four angles of a pentagon of 40 degrees, 75 degrees, 125 degrees, 135 degrees. The measure of the fifth angle is. So now first we have, that is, pentagon means we have to take n is equal to 5. Four angles are given, but pentagon is 5 side. Therefore n into n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Therefore 5 minus 2 into 180 degrees. Therefore this comes 3 into 180 degrees, which is equal to 540 degrees. After this we have to add all the four angles. 40 degrees plus 75 degrees plus 125 degrees plus 135 degrees will get around 375 degrees. So now 540 degrees which we got from this minus 375 degrees will be equal to 165 degrees. So the measure of the fifth angle is, how to calculate 165. Once again I'll explain how to calculate the fifth angle for the pentagon having 5 sides, but given angle is only 4. We have to find out the fifth angle. For this, first take the formula, that is n into finding the side, first take this n equal to 5. Then we have this formula, n minus 2 into 180. Substitute here for n is equal to 5. Then we get 540. After our after this, add all this, we'll get 375. Then minus this 540 into, that is 375, we'll get the fifth angle as 165. So next we move on to the eighth one. Eighth problem given is, that is, dash is the quadrilateral has a pair of opposite side. So dash is a quadrilateral which is having has a opposite sides parallel. Now which is this? That is, the answer is trapezium. So trapezium is a quadrilateral as a pair of opposite sides parallel. So this is the answer. Next one, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are 60 and 120 with all the sides equal. The quadrilateral name is. So here the adjacent angles of the parallelogram are 60 and 120 and with all sides equal. This condition holds good only in case of rhombus. Rhombus have all equal sides, but only these adjacent have 60 and 120. So next is, dash is a quadrilateral having two pair of adjacent sides equal and diagonals intersect at right angles. So this condition holds good in case of kite. So dash is a quadrilateral having two pair of adjacent sides equal and diagonals intersect at right angles. So the answer is kite. So next is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 9 and 15 sides. And 15 sides. For this we have to just divide this by 360 divided by 9. 9 is the given side, therefore this one. So how much 9 ones are 9 fours are. So how much we get 40 degree for first. Next one is 50, that is 360 by 15. Again how much is the answer? That is we'll get 24. So 24 into 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 2s are 10, 12, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 0, 6, 3, 60. Therefore, the option measure of exterior angle of a polygon 9 sides and 15 sides. So we have to calculate, divide 360 by given sides, and again both the sides are given. So option A is the correct answer. So this completes the 11th one. We move on to the 12th problem. 12th problem here is select the correct option for the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So here the correct answer is, that is adjacent angles of the parallelogram or supplementary angles. This is the correct option. Next, find angle P in a parallelogram. So parallelogram is there. So angle P we have to find out. A ratio is given, P is to Q is equal to 1 is to 2. Then P is to Q is, that is 180 degrees. P is to Q 1 is to 2. Then we have to add these 1 plus, that is 1 plus 2 ratio we have to add, we get 3. Finally, angle P is equal to 1 by 3 into 180. We have to do, then 3 ones are 3 6. Then we get 60 degrees. So which is the option here? The angle P is 60 degrees. So ratio is given of both the sides, that is only 1 is to 2. Then we have this one as 180 degrees. So add these two, that is 1 plus 2. This ratio we have to add. Then 1 by 3 into 180 will get the angle P as the 60 degrees. So this is how to calculate the angle P in the parallelogram. Next one is state whether true or false. So next is each square is a parallelogram. Whether this one is true or false. Each square is a parallelogram. The answer is true. So next one more statement is there. So here also we have to state whether it is a true or false. So what is this one given is square is a regular quadrilateral. Yes, square is a regular quadrilateral. So this completes all the MCQs of this chapter. If you have any doubt, comment me, like, share all the videos, subscribe my channel, and we'll complete this chapter today. In the coming class, I'll start the new chapter. So more and more, please share, like all the videos, subscribe my channel, and thank you.